Hi! Today I am going to cook mac and cheese. I like it when the mac and cheese is sticky and the cheese sauce is just so creamy. With all cheese, I'm in love. How to make mac and cheese? If you have never made homemade mac and cheese before, it may seem a little difficult, but it is not. Don't worry, I explain it step by step. The first step is to boil water in a pot and add a tablespoon of salt to it. Then in another pot melt 60 grams of butter and 4 tablespoons of flour. Then adding 4 cups of milk. In the other pot, when the water boils, add the noodles, in this case the Coditos noodles. We need 400 grams. On the other hand, we mix cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese and cheese to grate. And add it to the butter, flour and milk mixture. Add to the noodles and mix. Then we pass it to a sauce to take it to the oven for 20 minutes. I added grated Parmesan cheese to taste it. I like it with a lot of cheese. We hope it's cooked 20 minutes in the oven. And now to serve.
Meli, te salió riquísimo. Está muy rico.
Está espectacular, riquísimo. La verdad, muy lindo.